Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. Okay, I want to quickly show you a very nice 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 3, 6 in the key of C. So the left hand goes from 4, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 3, 6. So that's a chord you use for. So so let me show you the chords first. So on the left I have a F, A, C. On the right I have a E, A, C. So and I moved to 3, which is E, G, B on the left. On the right I have a D, G, B. Then I moved to D, F, A on the left, C, F, A on the right, and then I moved to C, G on the left, and B, E, G on the right. Then I move to 7, which is a B and F sharp on the left, and then A, D, F on the right. Then on the left now I have a E, just E, and on the right I have a A flat major 7, sharp 5, or A flat augmented chord. Anyhow, you see that that's A flat, C, E, and G. So that's 3. So then your 6th chord, which is where we end now for now, which is A, E, A on the left, and on the right we have a B, C, E, G. So together we have a Thank you. Follow for more. God bless you.